Hello students, welcome to new chapters. Our today's chapter 5 seeds and seeds. This is a total worksheet that is related to your periodic test 1 exam. So let's start. First question, match the food items with the place of their origin. Student, here is written some food items here and here is the place of origin. That means which place it will be come. Okay. First of all, coffee, where it is origin? Coffee is coming from Africa. Coffee is coming from Africa. Then cabbage is coming from Europe first. Then potato it is South America. And brinjal it is from India. Okay. Student, at first write the question. All of the question at first write one by one and then write the answer. And practice very carefully because this types of question will be come in your periodic test online exam. Okay, then question number 2. Name any seeds that scatter by bursting spread over a long distance. Actually, here is some different types of seeds, but I will write here on. It is P. Okay. Then scatter by sticking on the fur of animals. It is called birds. Okay. Then seeds that scatter by wind. It is dandelions. Okay. 1 minute. I need place. Dandelions. You can write different also. If you know the answer, you can write with question in comment box also. Okay. Then seeds that scatter by water. It is coconut. You know that coconut is scattered by water. Okay. And if you know another, you can write with question in comment box also. I request to write also. This is good for you. Then question 3. Seeds can be transferred in different ways. In search of the picture given below, write how the seeds are dispersed. Okay, here is some picture. We need to identify the. Okay, first of all, this seeds will be spread by ear. So we need to write here ear. Then it is lily. It is always spread by water. And this is sunflower. So it is spread by insects. And the last one, it is spread by human or animals. Okay. Okay. Humans also. And these types of question always come in your exam. Okay, now question number 4. Take the benefits of eating sprouts from the following. Here is 5 option. We need to take the correct one for benefits of sprouts from the following. Okay. So purify blood, yes, it is correct. Improve eyesight, it is also correct. Make our bones weak, no, it is wrong. Then improve the texture of our skin, yes, it is correct. Helps body in fighting against diseases, yes. This 4 option is correct. Only 3 option is not correct. Okay. Then question 5. Observe the picture given below and write the continents or countries from which we got these vegetables. Okay. We need to write the countries or continents. At first, cabbage. We know that it is coming from Europe. It is coming from Europe. Then potato, it is coming from South America. I write here continent. Okay. Then tomato also South America. I will not write any country, it is continent. And chili is from Asia. Why? Because we know that chili coming from India. Oh, sorry, chili is also South America. Sorry for students, it is also South America. So all B, C and D coming from South America continent, and only A coming from Europe continent. Okay, and brinjal coming from India, it is country. Okay, so this is all our today's class. We will meet our next class. Thank you all of you.